Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. Let's learn our alphabet and all the Christmas things that begins with our letter sound. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for angel. B is for bells. C is for candy cane. D is for decorations. E is for elf. F is for family. G is for gingerbread. H is for holly. I is for ice skating. J is for jumper. K is for kindness. L is for lights. M is for Merry Christmas. N is for nativity. O is for ornaments. P is for presents. Q is for quilt. R is for reindeer. S is for Santa. T is for turkey. U is for unwrap. V is for village. W is for winter. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yummy. Z is for zebra. Well done everyone, fantastic learning, well done. Hello parents, I'm so excited to share my Etsy store where you will find a range of handmade resources created by an early years teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational materials are designed to make learning fun and effective. Visit my store and explore the perfect tools to help your little ones thrive. I will leave the link below. Thank you for your support.